Imagine riding into the sunrise, wind in your face, freedom at your fingertips, but without the right gear, even the best ride can turn into a nightmare. Today on CycleSphere, we're arming you with the top 15 must-have accessories every rider needs to stay safe, comfortable, and in command, no matter where the road takes you. Let's gear up. Hey everyone, welcome back to CycleSphere. From helmets to tire gauges, I've scoured the market for the gear that separates pros from the rest. Whether you commute in traffic or chase horizons on backroads, this lineup will transform your ride. Ready? Let's dive in. Your helmet is literally your life's shield. Go Snell or DOT certified, full face for maximum coverage, and look for built-in vents to keep you cool on long runs. Reinforced palms, serrated knuckles, and weatherproof materials aren't just fancy specs, they're what stand between you and road rash. Choose serrated armor at shoulders, elbows, and back, plus abrasion-resistant shell fabric. Bonus points for reflective panels and zip-out liners for four-season versatility. Over-the-ankle protection, well-resistant soles, and reinforced toes and heels. These boots anchor you in control and guard against everything from dismount slips to hot exhaust. Wind and engine noise can exceed 100 decibels, enough to damage your hearing long-term. High-fidelity earplugs knock down harmful frequencies by up to 21 decibels, without cutting you off from traffic or intercom chatter. Never let frozen fingers steal your focus. Universal heated grip style in the warmth so you ride longer, no mittens required. Stay connected safely with a handlebar or windshield mount phone holder that keeps navigation and music controls right where you need them. Hands-free group rides, GPS prompts, and music streaming are possible with a helmet-integrated Bluetooth intercom system that delivers crystal-clear audio even at highway speeds. GPS, phone, and heated gear all sip power. Keep them juiced with a 2-amp handlebar USB port or a high-capacity portable power bank. Quick access storage for snacks, keys, and tools without upsetting your bike's balance. Waterproof tank bags and saddlebags mount securely and look sleek doing it. Proper tire pressure is the secret sauce for handling, fuel economy, and tire life. A compact digital gauge pays for itself in confidence. Flat on the freeway? A cordless inflator with 150 psi capability gets you back rolling, and many models double as power banks in a pinch. Fast roadside fixes, tighten a loose bolt, clean your chain, or adjust your mirrors, are easy with a motorcycle-specific multi-tool kit tucked under your seat. Neglect chain maintenance and you'll pay for it. Eye adhesion or wax-based lube reduces wear, improves power transfer, and keeps your drivetrain whisper smooth. Extra visibility in low-light conditions is non-negotiable. A high-vis vest or 3M Scotch-Lite reflective tape can mean the difference between being seen or not. There you have it, the top 15 accessories to elevate every ride in safety, comfort, and style. Quality gear isn't an expense, it's an investment in your passion and protection. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe to CycleSphere, and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews and riding tips. Got a favorite accessory we missed? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, ride smart, ride safe, and keep the rubber side down.